Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Skoda Rapid 2016 to 2019? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Skoda Rapid 2016 to 2019 is located under the hood and protects vital circuits for systems like the engine control unit, ignition, cooling fans, fuel pump, and exterior lighting. Fuses in the dash panel. The fuses in the dash panel, version 1, of the Skoda Rapid 2016 to 2019 protect and organize circuits for key interior systems such as cabin lighting, infotainment, climate control, and safety electronics. They are positioned within the dashboard for quick accessibility. The fuses in the dash panel, version 2 of the Skoda Rapid 2016 to 2019, safeguard essential interior electrical systems, including lighting, multimedia, climate control, and driver assistance features. This version features an updated arrangement for improved organization and power distribution. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.